Okay, so like you see, we're getting pretty because we're going on a family outing. Actually, we're going to a baby shower. And yeah, I know, it's not a boat day and it's not a baby shower on the water, baby shower inland. So we're going today with the family, but not the whole family because Yuli's not going. So what you think about Yuli's new haircut? Really, be honest. What do you think about Yuli? I don't know. He looks kind of funny to me. You try something different, so me personally, I like the other style better, but you know. So we're going today for a family event. We're going to, like I said, baby shower. Haven't been to one of those in a while because our kids are not babies anymore. So, but we're going, and then you guys are coming along for a day at a baby shower. Lucky I got YouTube to entertain me because I've been ready since an hour and 30 minutes ago, waiting for everybody. So, and this is the funny thing. We're supposed to be there at 11:30. It is 11:29. So, how you think about that? Are we gonna make it? I don't know. You tell me. And we got the show here. They're still fighting over the hairs. Still fighting over the hairs. La 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 la. So I guess the usual. I'll wait in the car. And it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. How funny that I'm not going on the boat and it's not raining. How is that possible? If I ever decided to go on the boat, it'll probably be raining. So what can you do? Can't do nothing. Just gotta go with the flow. You know, sometimes you gotta do inland things, but it's all good. You know, this is just one part of our life. So you guys are coming along and joining us on a baby shower. So yes, guys, it's just you and me because no one's ready. So this is a problem that has been occurring ever since I think I had kids. So it's been 15 years of me sitting around waiting, but it's all good, I guess. Oh boy, look at that. We got the star coming in. Welcome to the car, man. I like your glasses.
I don't know. You found them somewhere or something.
Finally. No, not finally, no. We still have one more missing.
One more member of the family.
So, little by little, they kind of make it to the car. Gabby and Joel came first.
My allergies are driving me crazy.
And then the missus came next, and now we're waiting for Joel. And I've been in the car for 10 minutes. So.
Could be worse.
Yes, it could be worse. Oh, and by the way, like I said, we got to be there at 11:30, and we still haven't ate breakfast, so we have to get some breakfast before we even get there. And we got the last struggler coming in.
You locked?
Welcome. So finally, we got the whole gang together, and now we're off. Finally. All right. Seatbelts, please.
Para que estemos seguros. Dora la exploradora.
So that's what happens when you're in a hurry and you have to get something quick to eat. You go to the fast food restaurant and you get tore up. You get lit and you order everything on the menu. Luckily they still have breakfast so late.
Here, can you put the Coke?
Yeah, let me grab mine. This is water. This is not Coca-Cola. This is water. finally made it at 12:20. But we're here though. And we're supposed to be here at 11:30. Almost an hour late. But you know, it's like Cuban time. It's a Cuban thing, brother. It's a Cuban thing. Where's Joy?
No idea.
Go ahead. Let's go, sir. All right, so let's go with the show. Oh, look at that. I haven't seen one of those.
Your dad will catch it.
Haven't seen those in a while. Ta-da.
Ay, ven, papá. Ay, qué rico aire. Ay, qué rico.
Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, I didn't even know. Dang. I didn't even know.
Macho, no? Yes. Yes. Well, yes. It's a boy. Fresco Channel.
Cute. Well, like you notice, it's great to see the family together and friends. And this is actually celebrating a new family member coming into life. And like you notice by the color and the sign, yes, it is a boy. And here we have the proud parents. And their relationship is that Olguita is the aunt of the dad. And it's time to sit down at our table and take a few pictures of our own. This is the best part of the party right now. And no, that is not me drinking Coke again. But it's okay because now we're gonna have some fun and work off the calories. Well, here's something is hard to believe. Olguita is their aunt. All right. So it's about that time to go home. Go home. So that's what you call a Cuban baby shower. See you guys next time. And I'm gonna go home. And that's it.